So the main camera just completely clapped out for some reason. So apparently we're gonna be filming the rest of this weekend on iPhones and GoPros and a drone. So stay tuned for that. I'm sorry we didn't get like much, like loading up. We have 9 dirt bikes on a trailer plus a generator. Each person has a gas can. We have a quad in the back of a pickup. We have 7 people's stuff in the back of Nick's 5.5-foot bed. It's an absolute trip. We could not get hotel rooms, so we had to get like the last tent camping site available in the Black Hills. No electricity, no water. It's gonna be an epic weekend. Hope you guys are ready for this. This video is gonna be an absolute movie.
Medicated bumper, a great race today.
Absolute vibe watching cars in a car. We just went through, I don't freaking know what town we went through. I don't know what town we went through. Getting close to Wall, so we probably have about an hour to go. We're going to Spearfish, but we're going through Rapids.
Look at how many miles to E I got.
Nice. But yeah, so we're going to Spearfish, but we're going through Rapid, so we're gonna stop at Five Guys, get some food. That's the working plan right now. So we'll come back to you guys in a little bit, probably at Rapid. Got this absolute mad rig.
Shut up. Yours would be able to do like 50 up this hill.
Bro, I never claimed it would, but at least mine don't burn oil. Wake the hell up! We're here! What are you doing?
Still on phone.
Come on.
Dude, I think we could go with a few more things. Gotta show you the best part. We get all these rigs. Look at what they're running, bro. We got the Ped Gang. We got the Ped Gang. Ped Gang. Dude, we're in a gas station parking lot. Anyways, so we're gonna get back on the road here. We're in Wall. We're gonna get Five Guys, and then we're gonna head to Spearfish to our campsite. So yeah.
No, it's got bacon.
What?
No, peach lemonade.
I just want to be black.
Your quarter black.
Dropping up, man, baby.
My man comes to Five Guys burgers and fries and orders a hot dog with no fries.
Eat my fries.
Alright boys, we have made it to the campground. We're trying not to be obnoxious because it is pretty late and there's just people nearby. So we're gonna get our camp set up. I don't think we're gonna film probably any more tonight. And yeah, so we're gonna get our tent set up, probably hit the sack so we can go riding in the morning. We'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Bye.
Good morning, Nikki. Good morning, Canyon. Good morning.
Alright boys, we are up, we are awake. It is the morning. We're probably gonna all get ready and go get some breakfast here before too long, and then we're gonna hit the trails. So, yeah.
Damn it.
I'm tired.
Let's go, damn it.
Where are we going?
Creed, bro, I'm digging the fit right now. I gotta be honest. Isaac, you ready?
Let's do it.
Ow. Sorry, I meant to give you nooks.
Oh.
Make sure all your straps are filling.
Let's go.
I'd say I'm a CJ of the group.
No,
So I've probably got like 5 minutes of
What
video.
are you talking
already.
about? Who would I be then?
We haven't even started riding.
Did you see the little girl down the aisle? She was laughing at me. Hello. Why?
The place we're going is 19 miles away, but our GPS says that it's a 40-minute drive. So it's probably gonna be some gnarly roads getting there, but yeah. Getting there, boys. We're getting there. We're here, boys. We made it. Someone's a comedian right here.
That wasn't me.
You already know Luke's trying to send that one last Snapchat to Addison.
Those are some cute pants you got there.
Yeah, I know. That looks like you.
Hey, how's she running?
How good is my matching?
Bro, you got the rainbow fit with the gray boots on the green bike with a black helmet and blue goggles.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Come on, gosh.
All right, so Connor's gonna try to make it through this.
Oh shit! Atta boy! Oh! Let's go! We're ripping. We thought it was gonna be cold as shit, but I have a t-shirt on under this and I'm gonna have to take that off because it is hot. Oh jeez, he's coming back. I gotta get out of here. Isaac! Get her bussin'. Oh, look at this. There was elk here recently. The camera doesn't do this. No way. Oh, you got it. Oh, get off. Drop the bike. You're good.
I tried.
You tried, bro. You attempted. If you wouldn't have bogged right when you hit the road, you would have made it.
Boggy little HOR.
Har? Whoa, go! Look out. A good cameraman films through the crash. So yeah, that's about how steep of a hill we're working with there. Nick, buddy, how's it going?
You call me the triangle.
Basically. Nick. I felt the sprinkle. So, we got up this hill, and your boy dented the ever-living heck out of his expansion chamber. Took a bit of a tumbler. We're good though. It's kind of sprinkling a little bit, so that might suck a little bit of ass. We might have to find somewhere to kind of settle down here. Dude, if we could find a cave, that'd be sick. I'd come. This is where we're at. All right, boys. Are we gonna find somewhere? Let's roll.
Going up there.
Kind of found this like massive like quarry looking deal. Wow, that is so cool.
We'll do the next one.
Get her bussin'. Hey, nice helmet, bro. It's just drinking a Mountain Dew.
$10 he drops it. That's how you break your jaw. Right?
Let me have toilet paper.
Nice helmet. Oh, damn.
You That's the expansion chamber side too.
Where's he going when he gets to the top? Me?
Ah!
Got Nick trying it. Oh, he's done. He's trying it. What the f was going on? It was like.
Idle's fine and top end's fine, but middle, jump.
Oh, a bit rough.
Oh gosh, Creed the Man Schnee is coming up. Oh shit! Woo, Creed! Ooh, icky!
yourself a path.
No fucking way.
I don't know what he was thinking when he saw this, but Nick's like,
No way.
Nick's like, already challenging? Let's pick the worst, let's pick the worst line as well.
Send it, Creed!
Better bussin' Creed!
No way.
No.
No, he.
Yes, Creed!
Yes.
Bueno, that's what I'm talking about! Oh, he's so. Hey, he stayed on! Creed. My man's.
Wait, honestly, it's looks like it's bottom, green in the middle, red.
Wow! No, he's not trying again. He's continuing his attempt.
Rev it! Rev it!
It'll probably blow up with how lean it's running.
There's the bike up the hill.
Dude, it would take Creed 10 minutes to walk up. Dude, Creed needs to just try again.
Faster, faster!
Dude, they gotta be bussing getting up that shit. Nope, he's already fine. Oh, shit!
Keep going, keep going!
Oh, damn.
You good? You look kind of comfortable.
Dude, this thing runs a doggy.
I know, it sounds like you're on rev limiter when you just idle.
Yeah, literally Nick's just like gets it slightly above idle. It's like.
Yeah, it's pretty steep.
You get up on it.
Dude, the cameras do not do these hills justice. Dude, Creed is so determined. He's like, oh shit! What is going on? Just turn around!
Oh!
Creed, what are you doing? Don't turn that bike around! He didn't touch. Creed, you're still on attempt number 1, buddy. Oh my gosh.
This is how I would imagine. It looks like he's drunk trying to lead against
Dude,
something.
he is tired and he's had 8 Kool-Aids. He probably has to pee again, let's be honest.
Creed literally pees like actually every 5 minutes, like not exaggerating. Like he peed 5 minutes ago when we stopped and we got here and he peed again.
Let's go.
Buddy can't even make it down the hill.
Creed, you are riding back in the trailer if you don't make it up this hill.
He already is. He
Every
wiped
time
his
he tries
ass
to
with his
kick it, He
hand.
falls off the other side.
Keep going!
Bro, my man made it to the plateau. He's 1/3 of the way done.
Come on! Let's go!
Right where Kylan got to.
Keep going.
Not gonna lie, he just picked up and go
Oh,
Go,
he's still
go,
on.
go.
Oh. Creed officially stopped. Damn freaking gum.
Only one attempt though.
Only one attempt. Let's go,
One attempt,
baby.
that's all that matters.
I think my chain skipping.
Go back this way.
Loose on the top
really
and tight on the
All
bottom.
right, boys, we're getting the.
I'm gonna prop you up, do a bit of a time lapse type deal.
Okay. Sure, the chain's gonna be tight on the top and loose on the
Yeah,
bottom.
that's what a chain does.
One more.
That's it.
Oh, dang.
Probably.
In water. You're making money moves. Dude. How much money?
Damn. Dude, get a quarter? Oh yeah. It's only 33 cents. That's a good quarter.
We're leaving Culver's. We're headed back to Walmart to get Nick a cot because he apparently
me a
cannot
blankie.
stand to sleep on the ground one more night. That's the plan right now. We're gonna go to Walmart and then probably back to the campsite and call it a night. We're wiped and we're gonna ride a little more in the morning. So, see you later. We're kind of getting camp squared away. Don't worry, Creed's been up since 6:30 tearing down camp. We're gonna head out. Where are we eating breakfast, boys?
Perkins.
Perkins?
Hell yeah.
Bro. Games today.
Bro, I will eat out Perkins like it's my day job.
Kylan's over here catching friend zones like it's his day job.
All right, we'll probably come back to you when we're rolling into Perkins.
I was gonna go for the JoJo Siwa pillow, but unicorn far superior.
Oh, that looks good.
Let's go! Let's go! No!
Okay, I have one more dollar.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Oh no. Oh no. Damn it.
What's its name?
I don't know. We haven't found a name.
Milborn.
Milborn.
Its name is Milborn.
Milborn.
Milborn the unicorn.
What?
You. In half. Bro, Milborn is vibing. This man pulls up in like an 89 Chevy something or other with a 2021 KX 450 on it. That bike is like easy worth like double as much as that car. Easy. Milborn took it like a champ today.
Oh, I know.
Bye, Canyon.
Bye.
Bye, Creed.
No, I reckon it's
Bye!
Bye. Bye, Nick.
Bye.
Thank you everyone for watching this episode of Real South Dakota Men. If you liked it, remember to hit that subscribe button. If you feel like it, drop a like on this video. Thank you very much. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.